Hello everyone, I803866SX, and today we have a follow-up. You may recognize this machine if you watch my channel closely. On September 24th, 2021, I took this display out of its shell and we baked it for 4 hours. Yes, you heard that right. We had screen for lunch. Well, not literally, but there was a reason behind that. And of course I'll put a link up for it. But before we baked the screen, the corners would slowly start to black out, and this particular one had it really bad. I would say probably about 15-20 minutes the screen was basically useless on this particular laptop. And seeing that we had this black blotch in here, although it was a little bit differently shaped, and there's a physical scratch on this LCD panel, I say I had nothing to lose with this one. So that's exactly what I did. Was I took this panel out. It was a great experiment for baking the panel and seeing if we can get rid of that tunneling, or at least largely get rid of it. The initial results indicated that it was successful. I left the machine on for a couple hours and didn't have any significant tunneling problems. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to test this out. It's been about 8 months since I did this, and albeit the time zone is a little bit, well, the time's actually ahead. Let's get that It is, hold on, I know it's 7-something p.m. It is 7:03 p.m. currently, so there we go. And yep, the clock will continue to run, so I will come back in an hour or so and we'll see where we're at. Okay, so this is roughly an hour later or so, and it's still largely usable. You can tell there's a little bit of darkening here, a little bit in the corner, which I think was, I think that was the result I had last time in September 2021 after I did this, so I think this is a win. I think my little baking experiment actually worked about as good as it possibly could with this machine, so there you have it. You have a display like this and it's shot like that, you have nothing to lose. Disassemble it accordingly and put that thing in the oven. Now, I will give some word of advice that worked for some other users. There was a YouTuber that did the same to his PowerBook 170 screen. The YouTuber called The Basement. What he did, instead of doing the 212, 220 for 4 hours, they went ahead and did 85 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but they did 85 Celsius for 8 hours in the oven. So basically, well, you're baking a turkey, basically. So, up to you if it's worth it, but I personally think it is. But at any rate, if you have any questions or comments or some constructive commentary, as always, you may feel free to put it in the comment section. And as always, thank you for watching.